morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful, sunny, hot day here on my side of the world. JA in my house, but of course, you guys know that we are in France. You guys, today, if it's not in the title, then you guys are about to find out right now that Mel, this girl, is on her way to get her vaccine. Yes, finally, I've been waiting on this moment. Now, I know everybody have their own personal views on the vaccine. This is my decision. This is my decision. And I'm going to get my vaccine. I'm going to be vaccinated. So I'm not going to get in the topic of discussing vaccine. But whatever your decision is, do what's best for you. Do what works for you. Do what you believe in. But this mama is going to take hers right now. So I'm heading out. I have a 10:30 appointment. I signed up to get the Pfizer vaccine. So I'm heading to the center right now. I have a 10:30 appointment, so I have like an hour in order to get there. So I dropped Tyler to school this morning, and Sarah is all ready because she's heading out with me, so I can go get my vaccine. Baby's gonna meet me at the center because the center where I'm taking mine is just across from Babe's office. So Babe can keep Sarah while I go and get my shot. So I have my first shot today, and in a few days, weeks, I'll have my second shot. So I'll be telling you guys and carrying you guys along this journey and let you guys know how the experience is, what are the steps that I had to take to go through to get my vaccine here in France as a Jamaican. So first thing first, I had to sign up online to book my appointment, and yeah, that's just basically it. So I'm just gonna go there at the time that I was given to get my first shot. I don't like needles, so of course I'll be turning away my head. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. But I've been really looking forward to my vaccine to just protect myself and my family. I've been lucky enough to not catch COVID throughout the past 2 years. Babe, on the other hand, has not been so fortunate. However, Babe is going through the process of finding out how he'll go about getting his vaccine, because you guys know that Babe had COVID, and then he had some flutters in his heart after the COVID. So that will be a whole different story and a whole different vlog, but we are taking the necessaries for him to do what he needs to do. But I'm going to get mine right now, so we decided that I'll take mine first. So I'm going right now like a champ. Okay, so let's go do this. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, and we're heading out right now to do the do. Okay, we're gonna get shot today. All right, here goes the girl, the daughter. Hi, say hello. Car, you're in your car. You're in your car looking all cute. Vroom, vroom. Hey. All right, tell Fizz bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good girl. All right, you guys. See you guys on the road. So you guys, I haven't been in town for a while now. You guys haven't seen in town for a while since the pandemic. So this is what town looks like right now. It's pretty quiet. Stores are open. Stores are opening back, but not much people around, as you guys can see. Those in the height of work hour right now, but town is normally full regardless of that. But you don't see much people right now. You don't see much people. Passing H&M. So I'm heading to the vaccine center right now with my girl. So let's see what the experience is gonna be like. Babe should be there waiting for me soon, or I'll reach a little bit before him. Whoa, tram passing. You guys don't normally see this tram color unless I'm in town. So yeah, this is what town is looking like. Restaurants, people out having coffee. Not much people anyway. So as you guys can see, a lot of people, few people out having coffee. You see a lot of police, but one thing for sure is that everybody's in their mask. That's something that you have to give to the French. Okay, you guys. So you guys, mission is done. Ta-da! I got my shot. You guys, I got my vaccine. Yes. I got my vaccine and I'm excited about that. My hand is a little bit numb. I can feel it, but the process was okay. I mean, safety at every single step that you pass through. You have to go through so many tables. You have to go through like 1, 2, at least 5 tables I had to go through step by step before I could get the shot. I mean, just to check to make sure you've never had COVID and you fill out all the questionnaires properly and everything. It's well done. It's well put together. I mean, if you're in Nice and you want to get the vaccine, then the process is pretty simple because I had registered online. So I just went through the other steps this morning. So I am now heading back home. I'll get my next shot in 4 to 6 weeks. But I think the appointment I got for my second shot is in 6 weeks. Sometime in July, early July. So yeah, there goes vaccination step 1. Dunzo. I'm at Plasmacina right now. That's where I'm at. This spot is one of the most famous spots in Nice. This spot right here, because of how the buildings are situated and the colors, how they look. So yeah, that's amazing. I am walking to the tram and then I head home. I am back home. I am so hungry. I don't know if you guys could hear me when I told you guys when I finished the vaccine, but just to give you guys a quick little rundown about the vaccine is that my shot went perfectly fine. It feels like any other normal vaccine or any other normal shot that you've taken throughout your lifetime. And it was numb a bit. Just after I get the shot, it was numb. But as I walk out of the place and walk home and came home, it felt better. Oh my God. I fried my salmon. I want it too much. It becomes dry. Anyway, guys, I'm back home. And I made myself a wonderful salad. I have avocado. I have a piece of leftover salmon from last night. I have some shrimp. I have lettuce. I have what is this again? Beetroot and carrot. So yeah, vaccine 1 down. Feel good about it. And now I'll get my second shot in 6 weeks. I'm going to go enjoy my salad. I put Sarah down for a nap. I fed her lunch and I have some work to do. So I'm going to eat and get right to work. You guys, look who I picked up from school. Wagwan.
Mozzarella today.
He said he had mozzarella today. Pick up Tyler at school and Sarah. So we stopped in the park. You know they love playing in the park before we go inside. Sarah is doing what Sarah do. Climbing on benches and giving me stone and flowers while Tyler is chilling today.
Mama.
We're out here hanging out for a bit and then I'm gonna go inside because I haven't made our prep dinner before Tyler got home. So I need to go inside and do that. Since I got back from the vaccine shot at 8 and I've been just laying down just chilling, I decided that hey, I'm gonna just relax myself today. And still feel a little bit numb, but it'll be good. You guys see her? Look at her belly. Can you tell she just finished having snack?
Mama,
Yes, Ty?
what do you like the most? Big rocks or small rocks?
It doesn't matter. I love big rocks.
Big rocks? Okay.
Oh
So
gosh.
many big
Put them down here, Ty.
No, but if I put them
Hi,
here,
Sarah.
they fall. Put them here.
Sarah in her shorts and belly skin. Who is that, Sarah?
Je peux pas venir à maman. Tu dois aller là-bas. Tu peux pas venir là-bas.
Oh, she's so sweet. Tell her don't let her fall. Tell her no shouting. She's going to pick flowers. You're going to pick flowers, princess? Cut her in the grass. The grass needs to cut. What is she doing? Sarah, what are you doing? You're admiring the tree. Huh? Okay. Sarah, come. Let's go.
What, already?
Yes. You're not ready?
No.
Why?
You only took a little bit of rocks. I want a lot of rocks. Just a little bit more.
Okay, a little bit more. So Sarah, come in. Give Tyler. Give Tyler a hug, Sarah. Sarah, give Tyler a hug. Hug. Come, Sarah, come. Come to Mama. Come here. She's growing up so much, you guys. She's just growing up so much. I have been cooking, but I was on the phone, so I didn't even get to show you guys the process of cooking. So this is what I made for dinner. I made broccoli, chicken in the air fryer. Still have a little piece in there going that's just about to be finished. And then I made some rice. The kids are about to eat right now. So this is Sarah's. Still trying Sarah with vegetable that is not pureed. And this is for Tyler. So dinner is ready for the family. Tyler, leave her.
Tu vas jeter ça dans la caisse monnaie. J'allais où la caisse monnaie? Elle est là-bas la caisse monnaie. Elle est là-bas la caisse monnaie. Hein? Elle est là-bas la caisse monnaie. Wow. Elle est là-bas. Let me come out. You want some egg? Yes, some yum.
She's dying with laughter.
Est-ce que Papa, est-ce que c'est sans viande?
Non, moi je mange de la viande.
Alors toi t'es comme moi. Papa,
Ah, mon petit cœur.
est-ce que tu sais quel plateau t'as?
She going look
Oui ou non? Non.
She positioning herself for more. She going kick you, see watch. Sarah, the ganging up on you. Yeah! Tell her don't let she kick you in your stomach.
Regarde ça, les cheveux.
She love the plane, you see?
Soit dessus.
Baby, come and see. I wish I could just flip this around so you guys could see the full that he's there doing.
Me,
Yes, you.
the most innocent man in the world.
Absolutely. They all know you're innocent, Tony. You've never done anything before.
Never.
And you give no trouble at all.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like a little boy.
In the vlog, they haven't seen you all day.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. What should I say? Good night. Good night. Good night for me. Yes, I'm talking to myself. Well, I hope you had a good day. You had a good day? What happened today? What did you do today?
I took my first vaccine. They know.
Really?
I told them all about it. You guys, I'm having a pain in my arm. Right where I got the stick. I was feeling it just after I got the stick. Then it fade away until I reach home. Then when I reach home, I start feeling it paining, like you can't put no pressure on it. It hurts.
Well, the doctor said that
It pains.
it will come and that she can take like a painkiller, but she don't want to take no painkiller.
Yeah, because no, if it's still pain tomorrow, I'll take a
You're
painkiller.
strong and tough.
And I won't be able to sleep on my right side tonight. I had an option to take the shot on my right or my left, and I just tell her to take the one that is close to her.
That's good. We have a lot of clothes to iron, so you can just go and iron all of the clothes. Anyway, guys, that wasn't my turn. I went there. I support her. I keep Sarah. That was the most important thing. That was harder than taking the shots to keep Sarah. Sarah is just a little angel right now. I just come home, play with her. She looks like a little big war girl, don't she? Oh, she has sense. Today she just put things on top of my head, and then she take the same thing and she put it on top of her head, and she's come to me, give me a lot of smile, a lot of kiss, and yeah, she start to have so much sense, and you make it fun to play with her. I love that moment. You know, I leave the morning, sometimes I don't even see her, and come back the evening, and sometimes she's about to go to bed, so I don't really have much time spending with her. So that's normal that she's close to her mom, because she
just
has
like Tyler was
all day. But so I just enjoy this little moment playing with her.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna take my vaccine self to bed. I got my vaccine, first shot down. I'm doing fine. I'm just having a little pain in my arm. Like, to just lift it up like this right now hurts so bad. So the side effects that I'm having right now is that it
Guess
hurts.
what? You're gonna rest tomorrow.
It hurts. So
No workout tomorrow.
I can't. If I was thinking of ways that I could work out, lifting my right arm, and I say, you know what, Mel,
I
just
know
do
how you
it
can
tomorrow.
do that. You can just move your foot.
I can do some legs, but I think I'm going to
rest is a good.
tomorrow. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys. So yeah, there goes the chronicle of vaccine. Comment down below and let me know if you are vaccinated and if you are going to take the vaccine. Just tell me yes or no. I don't need the explanation as to why you're not gonna take it. If you're gonna take it, tell me yes, I'm gonna take it. If you're not gonna take it, tell me no, I'm not gonna take it. And if you already take it, tell me yes, I already took it. So there you go, down in the comment section. All right, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam. Bien, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I started the freeze tonight.